it's me, it's Gio. Welcome to my channel. So today, we're doing something quite different, and this is something I want to be doing. I say that every single time because, it's going to be different because I've literally just started my channel. So this is a video idea that I've wanted to do for a long time now. So guys, I take massive inspiration from pop culture, pop music.
But I really wanted to reclaim my happiness because I feel like I've been through things, and haven't we all?
Yeah.
And after some self-reflection, I realized pop music makes me really happy, and so I'm gonna do it. And I just accepted that I'm kind of a cheesy bitch that loves pop music.
And pretty much anything that's trending with celebrities at the moment.
You all know what I think of trends. Trends are designed for the anxious.
So today, I am inspired by the music video Every Day by Ariana Grande. And so in that music video, she has a fringe, this long, beautiful, golden, like kind of like a dark blonde, like brown moment with two little buns at the top. So I want to recreate that look today, and I am here for it. It is amazing. Ever since I've seen the video from a while back, it is a bit of a throwback, but I'm still inspired by it. But before we do get into it, I am doing something I've never really done before, and that is fake eyelashes. And so I never actually looked into fake eyelashes before, but once I started doing eyeshadow, so I'm just starting, so please excuse the little attention detail here. Just swiped it on, much like Rowan's application in my video. So I've never really looked into eyelashes before, but since I've been getting into makeup and particularly eye looks, I've literally been seeing in videos and photos how much of a difference fake eyelashes make. I'm not going to be doing intricate eye looks and stuff. That's not really my style, and I don't really know how to do it. So guys, let's start. I'm nervous, not gonna lie to you, I'm nervous. Okay, so these are the Kiss, these are the Ritzy. This packaging is literally screaming all the features at me, and I was like, okay, I'll take it. They look amazing, they really do. I'm like a massive fan of them. So these are them. So let's get into it because I want to get to transformation, I'm not gonna lie to you, and I kind of want to stop putting it off. So guys, I brought you a little bit closer in so you guys can see this mess that's gonna happen. Basically, these are the lashes, and thankfully it does come with the glue in the back, taped up and everything. I'm gonna be really close to the mic. ASMR. Oh. Okay, so I do have knowledge in that area of eyelashes. I'm not gonna be going in unknowingly. So this is the left eye. I'm just placing it on now just so that I can kind of, Okay, I'm guessing it's gonna go clear once it's ready. I think I'm gonna do the other one at the same time. Oh, shit. Oh god. God. Is that it? Have I done it? No. Right? No. Surely not. Have I done it? I'm confused. No, I've not done it. Okay, because I put a bit of glue, as you saw, on my eyelid. And that's what I feel sticking, but besides that, wow. Oh my god, I love it. I actually like it. Do you feel like they're not there? No, but I've not heard anyone or anything claim. I don't have mascara or anything like that, see, but like I would blend it in. Bitch. You having a giggle, mate? Oh god. Best get the other one done now. I'm gonna put more on the edges. Sorry, guys. I was way too excited. I almost forgot the other one. I'm just adding a bit more on the edges just because I've seen people say that, so I'm going to. Oh my god. Does it look stupid? Not being serious now. I think it looks stupid because one is on, one is on, one is off, but like, oh my god, am I actually here for it? Like, I don't know, have I done it? This is a video of me like thinking that I did that, but like I feel like this is a good kind of like eyelash from my eye, from what I can see. Yeah, like it's like I thought it'd be way too much, but or not too much. I thought it'd be a little bit more. But I think I'm kind of glad it's not. No. Fucked it. Or did I put too much on? But yeah, but I'm loving the look. I really am, like this area, outer area, like this. This is this. Hello? Sorry guys, Rowan is still in bed. I mean, I'm here for it. Oh my god, I actually like it. Yeah, I'm here for it, guys. What do you guys think? Please be kind, because this is my very first time. I definitely need to like blend them in with like mascara and everything, and like kill my lashes. And you get a closer look. Like I know my eyelashes are separate from it, basically. I know that because they're really straight anyway. Why it took so long to get onto the bandwagon? I'm sorry I'm looking at the monitor, but I can't help it. This is when I look back and I look like shit. Sorry guys. I'm like hyping myself up, like, oh my god, I did so well. And it's like, no, honey, you didn't. Time for the finishing touch. So, time to take my hair out of the ponytail. So for the actual hairstyle itself, you guys are going to need elastic bands, obviously. I'm so bad, I'm the worst hairstylist ever, because I literally... Sorry, I just stared to your soul then. I know. I'm literally the worst like hairstylist at the moment. I'm so unprofessional because I got 2 different colours and one is almost about to snap. So let's just not get into that right now, guys. So I'm just gonna like take them parting and kind of go around and section. Like you guys, as you saw my review, if you saw that video, if you haven't, please go watch it. It'll be a link in the description. But so I've taken a section of this much of the hair. Did a bit of section down the middle.
Moses stretched his hand over the sea, and the Lord sent a strong wind that drove back the waters until they were parted, leaving a dry path straight through the middle.
I'm looking like the Grudge with highlights.
I don't know. There's something strange about this house. Presents.
Presents? Don't be silly.
So I've sectioned that off the clip, and I'm just gonna part it again in the middle. Sorry, guys. So I'm gonna section off a part in the front, a little square. Just bring that down. I'd say around there, then tie it up. Okay. So guys, get a bobby pin ready. What we're gonna do now is we're going to braid this whole section, then bobby pin it up. There we go. I said to be ready with bobby pin. Oh, there it is. And you got a bit of a braid there. Can you see it? Neither can I. But we just want to stay true to the actual look, otherwise it's just be a space bun tutorial. So guys, I've done the small braids and just pin them in. Wrap it around. And you want to make this quite tight. Because in her style, it's a bit tall, it's like a taller bun. Stick those pins in wherever you see fit. It's kind of like a cone shape. Okay, that's the easy part because now we just have to match them. So grabbing the ponytail itself as well as the braid and braid it inwards so your braid doesn't come undone. If your hair has like different tones or it's like an ombre or you're just growing it out a bit like this wig, you can really kind of see where the braid is, thankfully. Otherwise, I personally wouldn't say there was any point in doing that. If your hair has kind of the same colour and it's hard to see. Okay, so this is the first time doing it basically, guys. I've just literally watched it. I'm guessing the fringe part was quite important for this look because it's giving me like a whole another vibe, but the gist is there. Not everyone's gonna have bangs, but they might want to do this, so